Hello friends. Today we discuss on Oracle receipt against purchase order. Today's agenda is why we require receipt and different type of receipt. Prerequisite setup activity for that receipt transaction. Different type of receipt routing method and Oracle receipt standard tables. Receipt and type of receipt. Receipt routing come into picture when we receive the goods from suppliers. After receiving the good, we have required to take a receipt from supplier. We know that what is the process for creating the purchase order. We have learned the purchase order creation process in previous session. For creating a purchase order, we are required to create a requisition. Here the diagram show that first we create the requisition, then we create a purchase order, and then we have submit that purchase order for the approval process. Once the purchase order approved, we have take the receipt against that purchase order. So this is a step when we create a receipt. Receipt, there are three type of receipt method according to the receipt routing method. First is direct method, second standard method, and third is inspection method. Required setup. Before receiving the good, we need to ensure that our sub inventories are created and accounting period are opened for inventory, purchasing and GL responsibilities. So here the list of the required setup. First, we have required to create sub inventories for the inventory organization. For that matter, we have provided the navigation from the inventory responsibility, go to the setup, go to the organization and go to the sub inventory. From this link, we can create a sub inventories. Then we required open a period in purchasing. For that matter, we go into the purchasing responsibility and go to the setup, then go to the accounting and then go to the control purchasing period. From this window, we can open the period for purchasing. Next, open period in inventory. For that, we have moved into the inventory responsibility. Into that, we go to the accounting close cycle and go to inventory accounting periods and open the inventory periods. And next, open period in GL. For that, we go to GL responsibility. Into that, go to the setup, go to the others and then click on open and close button. From this window, we can open the period for GL. So these are the required setup for creating the receipt against PO. Now we discuss different receipt method. So first, receipt routing with a receiving method as a direct. So we can go to the one by one step. In direct method, goods will be sent from gate directly to the sum inventory. Create a purchase order with a type as a standard and give detail as per our requirement. Now go to click on shipment button. In shipment window, we have two button. One is receiving control and one is distribution. Click on receiving control and give receipt routing as a direct delivery. This is the difference between uh, all these three methods: direct, standard, and inspection. We have required to select from these three value in receipt routing selection. Save the transaction and approve the purchase order. Then now navigate to receiving and receipt screen. Give the sub inventories detail and save the record. As soon as we save the record, a concurrent program called receiving transaction processor will be submitted in backend. We can check the status of the receipt. Navigate to receiving transaction summary screen and click on transaction. This is the screen when we select the receipt routing method. We can show here direct delivery. We selecting the receipt routing method as a direct. From this screen we can differentiate all these three methods. If the receipt routing method is a direct, we select the direct delivery. If the receipt routing method is standard, we select the standard. And the receipt routing method is inspection, we select the required inspection. There are some important points we have required to notice. First, receiving transaction processor is going to generate accounting event depending upon receipt routing. If the routing is a direct delivery, RTP will generate accounting event as a receiver and deliver. Friends, we know that at the receiving transaction screen, summary screen, when we open the screen, we got the two entries for the receiver and deliver. These both entry are generated after the receiving transaction processor concurrent request submitted. Second, if the routing is a standard delivery, when we create a receipt, we receive the good in receiving point. There we are going to perform visual inspection. At this stage, only receipt accounting event is created. Later, when we deliver the good to store, that time deliver accounting event will be generated. And third, if the routing is an inspection required, we first receive the good at the gate. That item receive accounting event will be generated in the system. Now the goods will be taken in receiving. Here we are going to perform physical inspection and will separate accepted quantities and rejected quantities. Accepted quantity is delivered to store. At that time, delivery accounting event will be generated in the system. The main important point is this, that the stock in the inventory will be updated only when it creates a delivery accounting event. My friend, you understand? Inventory, when we take a receipt, at a time inventory stock has been updated, but when we create a delivery accounting now, at that time that entry will generate in the inventory, means stock has been updated after the delivery accounting event. Next method is the standard method, receipt routing with receiving method as a standard. In this method, the goods are moved to receiving area from gate. There are visual inspection happen and the goods are moved to sub inventories. Create the purchase order with a type as a standard and give a detail as required. Then click on shipment button. Click on receiving controls and give a receipt routing as a standard receipt. Save and approve the purchase order. Now navigate to the receiving and receipt screen. Give the sub inventories detail and save the record. As soon as we save the record, concurrent program receiving transaction processor will be submitted. We can check the status of the receipt. Now navigate to receiving and receiving transaction summaries. Click on the transaction. Now we can see that the delivery has been created. This is a screen when create a purchase order. We go to the shipment button. In the shipment button we go to the receiving control button, and over here we select the receipt routing method as a standard receipt and click on OK and submit the purchase order for approval process, and we have take a receipt against that purchase order. So this is a standard receipt method. Receipt routing with a receiving method as an inspection. Here good will be received in the receiving and a physical inspection will be done. Then the good will be sent to the sub inventories. Now create a purchase order with a type as a standard and give a detail as required. Click on shipment button, click on receiving control and give a receipt routing as an inspection required. Save and approve the purchase order. Now navigate to receiving and receipt. Give sub inventories details and save the record. As soon as we save the record, concurrent program receiving transaction processor will be submitted. We can check the status of the receipt. We need to do the inspection of good received. So navigate to the receiving and receiving transaction. Click on inspect and assign the sub inventory to the accepted item and save the record. Check the receiving transaction summary again. It shows that accepted goods are delivered. This is a screen of the receiving control where we select receipt routing method as an inspection required. Oracle receipt standard tables. These are the three main tables. First, RCV shipment headers. In this table, we have find out all these header level information. Second, RCV shipment lines. In this, we can get all these line level information. And RCV transactions. In this table, we can get all the interface related information of the receipt creation process. So my friend, today's session we discuss on the Oracle receipt against purchase order. We learn that how to create the receipt, different type of receipt, and we understand one by one different three method. Receipt routing method as a standard, receipt routing method as an inspection, and receipt routing method as a direct delivery. And then we understand the Oracle receipt standard tables. So this is whole session about the receipt against the purchase order. Thank you. Friends, if you really like that video, then please subscribe me and follow me for the next tutorials.